Alfred Street Baptist Church is excited to announce that our very own Reverend Dustin Sullivan has been named pastor of Heritage Fellowship Church in Reston, Virginia. Therefore, everyone is cordially invited to join us on Sunday, May 20th at 4 p.m. at Heritage Fellowship Church for the installation of Reverend Sullivan. Pastor Wesley will be the guest preacher, and our Voices of Triumph Choir will be performing as well. Reverend Sullivan oversaw the youth and young adult ministries here at Alfred Street Baptist Church, and as a result, these ministries have grown exponentially under his guidance and leadership. Therefore, we thank you, Reverend Sullivan, for every moment you have spent caring for our youth, because you have made a difference. The energy you poured into building our teen church, known as Higher Ground, created a safe place for God to speak to our teens and for them to respond. All the lock-ins, the retreats, ice cream runs, sleepless weeks of camp, and the emotion-filled times of being with students in the most difficult moments of life were all a part of something amazing here at Alfred Street Baptist Church. Through you, God illuminated the hearts and minds of our teens who will change the world forever. What you did here with our youth and teens mattered, and we can't thank you enough. Thank you for your unwavering support and commitment. We want you to know that we love you and your family, and you all will be missed. But we are so proud of you as you enter this next chapter in your life. Remember, God rewards those that bless others with blessings beyond measure. Congratulations, Pastor Dustin B. Sullivan and First Lady Kiasha Sullivan.